Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today we're showcasing the FIIl CC Pro, the Art of Audio headphones. They're Bluetooth audio, they're Bluetooth 5.2 audio headphones. They make calls as well, and they have active noise cancellation. And they're true wireless, stereo Bluetooth 5.2 like I said, hybrid ANC, and triple mic ENC MAF mode. I've used all the modes on these headphones and they actually do work pretty well. The ANC is very nice, the active noise canceling mode. And what's unique about these is they have Bluetooth 5.2, so a lot of the devices out right now don't even have Bluetooth 5.2, so it's future-proof in that regard. Long duration wireless charge, and they also do wireless charging here. On the back, you just set it down on the wireless charger and it'll charge this. What I like is that when these turn on, you'll see that it has a light that turns on briefly. And this is what the case looks like. It's very simple, but it does a great job. You get up to 30 hours in total, and you can also charge these via USB-C. There's a port right there. Here's what the stem looks like. You get a little bit of light on the top telling you it's ready to pair. And these are touch sensitive, so it's 1 touch, 2 touches, and 3 touches for different modes on each side. So here's the other one. The ANC, like I said, works really well. I use these in an airplane, and it cut out nearly all of the engine noise, so I like that a lot. And then it has a low latency mode for when you're playing games. So you can hook this up to your computer, your iPhone, your Android, your tablet, and they just easily go back inside like that. Pretty simple. And it comes with a USB-C charging cable right here, and then going inside the box right here. Also comes with ear covers, different sizes, ear tips, so that's nice. And you can get these now on Amazon for a pretty good deal. And this is the new, right here, as you can see them charging. The little light has turned on the case, so that way you know it's charging. Get them from Amazon right now. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up.